Hello guys, you are watching Cricket Next. I am Akash Biswas with Sahil Malhotra and we are here in Ahmedabad to cover the Indian Premier League 2024 playoffs. KKR and Sunrisers Hyderabad are playing the qualifier 1 and we will today discuss the impact of Gautam Gambhir that has, guided the Kolkata Knight Riders. Uh, I would say a misled Kolkata Knight Riders who seem to have, lost the path in the past couple of editions back to their original form and the touch of Gautam Gambhir, obviously. And to discuss it furthermore, I have with me Sahil. So Sahil, आपसे मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि पिछले साल हमने देखा श्रेयस अय्यर हमारे पास नहीं थे, नीतीश राणा की कप्तानी थी, एक स्टार उभर के आया रिंकू सिंह, लेकिन ओवरऑल रिजल्ट की बात करते तो कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स का इम्पैक्ट उतना नहीं था. कमिंग टू दिस सीजन, गौतम गंभीर एक बैकडोर एंट्री मारते हैं सबसे छुपा के, बिल्कुल ये बात किसी को कानो कान कभी पता भी नहीं चली कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. और गौतम गंभीर बिल्कुल अपना वो इम्पैक्ट लेके आया जब 2012-2014 में उनकी कैप्टनसी में केकेआर ने ट्रॉफी जीती थी. व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट इट?
I think you've summed it up pretty well, Akash. What Gambhir did with KKR when he was the captain of the side, led them to two titles, left a mark the way cricket is going to be played in that franchise when he was there as captain for 7 long years. The kind of relationship which he enjoys with the owners, I think it's second to none of the relationships which we have seen between owners and players in the IPL. He enjoys a very good relationship with Shah Rukh Khan. He's got a free hand here at KKR. And yes, you rightly mentioned that it was a surprise that, in the ongoing cycle, just 1 year was left before the mega auction. He was the mentor of Lucknow Super Giants. He led them to two playoffs qualifications in the first 2 seasons. And after that third year, we have news that Gotti is leaving LSG, is coming to KKR. But we all knew that this was more than just cricket. It was a bond which was made when Gautam Gambhir replaced Saurav Ganguly as the KKR captain, and the amount of love which he has received in this part of the world, I think that's very, very special. A bond which is very close to Gauti's heart, and what he has done with the side this season, that's absolutely phenomenal.
As you said, what he has done with the side in this season, I would come to that point. But before that, we have often seen, in fact, a viral video on the KKR Instagram handle where a fan was almost emotional. He was in tears asking Gautam Gambhir कि आप हमें छोड़ के मत जाइए, बहुत बुरा लगता है. And now speaking about Gautam Gambhir's impact in that, structuring the playing 11 and now bringing the best out of its players. Most importantly, bringing back Sunil Narayan in top of the order and making sure that he maintains the consistency. Though we have seen Sunil Narayan going bang bang when he has opened the innings, but this time around he has been consistent. He has been scoring consistently in the top of the order. What do you think? What Gautam Gambhir has instilled? What has he instilled in him?
I think role clarity is one of the bigger things which Gautam Gambhir swears by. That's what he has done when he captained numerous domestic sides, IPL sides in the past, when he mentored them. And KKR was not going to be any different. Sunil Narayan returning to top of the order, getting a consistent run was always going to happen, because if you remember, it was Gautam Gambhir who actually asked him to open when he was playing as captain and Sunil Narayan was playing under him. And then, just waking up that sleeping giant, Andre Russell. We all know what Andre Russell can do in this format. And it was just that he was not getting enough deliveries to bowl and enough deliveries to face. But this year it has been different. There is no rigidity in the middle order, as we were discussing yesterday also. Anyone can come to bat at any time. He's a very matchup oriented mentor. अगर लगता है रिंकू का आवश्यकता अभी नहीं है तो रोको, वेंकटेश को भेजो, stability job चाहिए, send in Shreyas Iyer. All those things, they just ticked. And Gautam Gambhir knew that Andre Russell and Sunil Narayan are his two key players, two crucial players. And the moment they click, this side looks a different beast altogether, and that is what has happened. Andre Russell picking wickets, bowling those difficult overs. Sunil Narayan and Phil Salt, they probably are the only pair who haven't been changed in the league stage. अभी तक मतलब हमने इतना Russian ruler musical chair देखा है opening combinations का, but KKR just haven't changed, and they'll be changing today probably only because Phil Salt isn't available, as you wrote in your preview as well. So that's going to be the biggest change. And apart from that, I think this is a well-oiled machinery which is just cruising in autopilot mode, I would say.
And a well-oiled machinery does need a well-skilled engineer,
Yeah.
which I would say his man management skills has done wonders for KKR. And speaking of that man management, Gautam Gambhir, as we have been reading in news reports, that he is a front runner of being Rahul Dravid's successor, as the BCCI is keen to have him the next Indian head coach. So, what do you think? Let's suppose he is the next head coach. Then, how do you see this Indian team going ahead?
I think first it has to be a marriage which will not be pleasant to start with. I would say that because Gautam Gambhir, I wouldn't say it's a bad ego which he has, but he has a very good playing ego. And I was watching his episode with Ravichandran Ashwin Kutti Stories yesterday, and the way he was talking about his obsession with winning, it's good, it's fine. He doesn't want to be a popular coach or a popular mentor. He just wants to win. He wants to return to a happy dressing room. But you need to have a side which is ready to walk the same path with you. Right now, we are talking about an Indian cricket team which has superstars in Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Ravichandran Ashwin. You just name them and the players will just keep flowing. You have a younger lot, but there are still players, Hardik Pandya, Surya Kumar Yadav, Jasprit Bumrah, all these players, Mohammad Shami returning from injury, ये बड़े players already हैं. अब उन बड़े players का marriage कैसा होगा गौतम गंभीर के साथ? How he'll gel up? How much egos would be shed from both camps? See, because you just can't operate my way or highway. Whether it's the captain or the coach, you need to find that strike that partnership, which Ravi Shastri did very successfully with Virat, which Rohit Sharma did very successfully with Rahul Dravid. I think that was a very good pairing, at least from the top two of the squad standpoint. Whether it translated into ICC trophies or not, that's a discussion for a different day. But the way the captain and coach gelled in the last two assignments, and especially after what happened between Anil Kumble and Virat Kohli, I think that's a big takeaway, that you need to have captain and coach on the same page. So if Rohit is going to be in charge at least for the next 2 years, will Rohit and Gautam Gambhir strike as a good partnership? That is the first question we need to answer. Then we need to address whether the successor of Rohit Sharma, will he be well gelled with Gautam Gambhir? How will Gautam Gambhir handle Virat Kohli? All these things. And Virat Kohli is not your typical yes man. Gautam Gambhir is not a typical yes man, right? He's not even my way or highway, but he has a very strong way of looking at cricket and operating cricket, running dressing rooms. He has done that with Delhi in the past, in the domestic circuit, with KKR, with LSG, now again with KKR. So, दिमाग तो है उसमें यार. But running Indian cricket team is a different beast.
Well, as you rightly said, coaching the Indian team is a very different beast altogether, because it's not just about T20, it's across formats, the ODIs, the test also involved. But there is a lot of time. We have to see whether he gets the post or not. But before that, we are switching back to the KKR versus SRH qualifier 1, where the KKR, it's very safe to say that they have created a wave this entire season. And with Gautam Gambhir back, do you see bringing back the charm of that 2012, 2014 back, with Gautam Gambhir also back in the heart?
Absolutely, yes, Akash. I think this is their best chance to win the title. And I can clearly see them already with one hand the trophy. The side is very, very balanced. And I'll just repeat myself for the sake of repeating that, Phil Salt is probably the only missing thing in the recipe right now. But Gambhir would have a different garam masala to just sort that, कि वो taste में वो कमी ना हो. But other than that, I think they're very, very well rounded. Good fast bowling attack, good spinners, excellent spinners, I would say. Then Andre Russell bowling those difficult overs, Sunil Narayan at top of the order, middle order very fluid and very kind of situation driven. So I see them winning the title. I absolutely see them winning the title, and it will be up to SRH whether they can kind of outsmart Gautam Gambhir, because it will be very difficult to outsmart him.
Well, those who were fretting over Saul's absence, as Sahil mentioned, that Gautam Gambhir must be having something to say in Gurbaz's ears, कि bro ऐसा करना है, and he know the trick to bring the best out of him as well. But ultimately, it will boil down how the game pans out at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. But you guys stay connected with Cricket Next for all the updates. We'll be right back.